My name is Karna. I am studying 8th class in Yampi School at Galapala.
Verb forms. Spot.
Spotted.
Say.
Said.
Want.
Wanted.
Mend.
Mended.
Think.
Thought.
Restore.
Restored.
Challenge.
Challenge.
Pay. Paid.
Paid.
Bring.
Brought.
Begin.
Began.
Work.
Worked. Removed.
Pull.
Pulled.
Lift.
Lifted.
Look.
Looked.
Take. Took.
Taken.
Try.
Tried.
Damage.
Damage.
Use.
Used.
Strike.
Struck.
Reveal.
Revealed.
Reach.
Reached.
Tape.
Taped.
Line.
Lined.
Write.
Wrote.
Written. Bury.
Buried.
Come.
Came.
Do.
Did.
Open.
Opened.
Get.
Got.
Read. Get. Got.
Get.
Read.
Read.
Fold. Folded. Unfold.
Unfolded.
Date.
Dated.
Fly.
Flew.
Flown. Good.